So many people are of the opinion that the Toyota RAV4 is the best and most economical car when compared to Honda CR-V. However, many more persons have argued that the Honda CR-V is the best and most economical car when compared to the Toyota RAV4. Don't be confused, just get relaxed. I remain your guy, Dave. I'll be bringing to you a detailed comparison of both cars as regards to fuel consumption, cost of maintenance, resale value, space, flexibility, durability, and reliability. Also, at the end of this video, I will help you in deciding which of these cars is best for you as an individual. And always trust me to give you the best and unbiased comparison. This comparison is between the third generation of the Toyota RAV4 and the third generation of the Honda CR-V, with a focus on the 2008 CR-V and the 2008 RAV4. I decided to focus on the 2008 because of the high demand for the comparison between both cars. Also, the prices of these two cars are almost the same. The difference between the prices of both cars is very small. At the end of this video, I will give you more details about the prices of both cars. Stay with me. Now, the Toyota RAV4 and the Honda CR-V are both Japanese brands with their headquarters in Japan. Both the Honda CR-V and the Toyota RAV4 are classified as mid-size SUV and they are seen as feminine cars. The female gender tend to have a very strong affinity for the Honda CR-V and the Toyota RAV4. However, in recent time, the men are gradually taking over the Honda CR-V. But in this video, more details will be thrown to this as regards to the best choice for every gender. This background information will give us a better picture of the comparison between both of them. Without wasting so much time, let's begin to look at the capacity of the engines and the fuel consumption of both cars. The Honda CR-V comes with a 2.4 inline 4-cylinder engine, which is also the i4 engine, and with a power capacity of 166 horsepower and a top speed of 195 miles per hour or 202 kilometers per hour. It also comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission system, while the Toyota RAV4 also comes with a 2.4 i4 engine and also with an option of the V6 engine. However, for the purpose of this video, we are going to be focusing only on the i4 engine of the Toyota RAV4 and the i4 engine of the Honda CR-V. The RAV4 also has a power capacity of 166 horsepower, which is the same as that of the CR-V. However, with a top speed of 115 miles per hour or 185 kilometers per hour with 4-speed automatic transmission system. The Honda CR-V has a fuel tank capacity of 58 liters, while the RAV4 has a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. The Honda CR-V has acceleration of 9.1 seconds, meaning it can move from 0 to 60 miles per hour within 9.1 seconds, while it takes 9.6 seconds for the RAV4 to move from 0 to 60 miles per hour. So the CR-V has a better acceleration. Now, let's look at the fuel efficiency of both cars. The Honda CR-V has a fuel efficiency of 20 miles per gallon for city drive and 25 miles per gallon for highway drive, while the Toyota RAV4 has a fuel efficiency of 20 miles per gallon for city drive and 26 miles per gallon for highway drive. The difference is not much. However, the Toyota RAV4 is more efficient in fuel consumption, meaning it has low fuel consumption. But the Honda CR-V has a top speed and it goes faster when compared to the Toyota RAV4. Honda has a track record for the production of high performance engine. So if you are looking for a durable engine that has high performance, then the Honda CR-V would be the best option. To the Toyota RAV4, when it comes to durability and high performance of the engine, the Honda CR-V scores A. However, when it comes to fuel efficiency and reliability, the Toyota RAV4 scores A, while the Honda CR-V scores B. Let us also look at the space, luxury, and comfort. Now, when it comes to space, the dimensions of these cars are almost similar. The difference is insignificant. However, when it comes to the interior space, the Honda CR-V tend to have more luxury interior space because the Honda CR-V is a family-oriented car. And because it is family oriented, the space inside has been fully maximized to accommodate up to 6 persons who can comfortably sit in the car, with 2 at the front and 4 at the back. It is almost similar with the Toyota RAV4, although the Honda CR-V tend to have more cargo space when compared to the RAV4. So the CR-V would actually provide a very good comfort for a family of 5 or 6. Unlike the Honda CR-V, the Toyota RAV4 is more of like an executive car for the female gender, particularly the female boss. And also the women too. Most women love this car because it is luxury, it has prestige, it is classic, very beautiful and so attractive, particularly if you are a single person who doesn't require so much cargo space. So guys, since the RAV4 is a feminine car, You could easily get it for your babe, your side chick, your wife, and even your mom for all the prayers that she has done for you. You can actually get it for her as a reward, particularly the red color. They love that red color. Get it for them. They would really appreciate it. Don't you think so? If you're a single person and you are looking for a luxury and very comfortable car with good prestige, then the Toyota RAV4 might actually feature in very well for you. So if you're a family man that is looking for a luxury and comfortable car, then the Honda CR-V will be the best option for you. The cost of maintenance of both cars is almost the same. There's hardly a difference between the cost of maintenance for both cars. However, because of the general high demand for Toyota cars, prices of the spare parts of the Toyota cars tend to be slightly higher when compared to that of the Honda cars. Although the Toyota cars have advantage because the mechanics are readily available, the parts are readily available, and almost any mechanic by the roadside can lay hand on it and bring it back to good shape. But the prices of the spare parts are slightly higher than that of the Honda. Take for instance the headlight of the RAV4 is within the range of 120,000, while that of the Honda CR-V is slightly less and within the range of 80 to 100,000. Let's look at the resale value for both cars. These cars are well known among so many people, so the demand for them is always high, which gives room for a high resale value. But when you begin to compare the both of them, the Toyota RAV4 will tend to have a higher resale value. This is because so many persons would rather choose a Toyota car than a Honda car because of the general belief that Toyota cars are more durable and more reliable. That might not really be the case. Toyota in general has high resale value in Nigeria when it comes to general durability and ruggedness of the car. In fact, Toyota itself has a track record for producing very durable, reliable, and rugged cars, not just in Africa but globally. Particularly in the Arab world, most of the trucks that are used for the desert route are basically Toyota cars. Also, Toyota proud itself to be the highest producers of most durable cars in the world. So in this instance, your RAV4 will actually score very high when it comes to durability and ruggedness. Even when it gets old, it still looks very good and classy, and it is always dependable. The Honda CR-V2 is also very good and durable. However, it is second to the Toyota RAV4. So if you're a family man and you're looking for a luxury classic car with prestige for your family, then I'll recommend the Honda CR-V. However, if you are the boss lady that wants an executive, classy and luxury car with good comfort, then the Toyota RAV4 will be the best option for you. The price of the foreign used Honda CR-V is sold within the range of $7,000 to $9,000 or 5 million naira to 6.5 million, while the Toyota RAV4 is sold within the range of $7,500 to $9,000 or 5.5 million to 6.5 million. The Toyota RAV4 appears a little more expensive than the Honda CR-V. This is because the demand for them is always high. Please let me know your opinions about these cars in the comment section. Like and follow this page for more tech reviews.